Hey, what's up everybody? Derek here from FMU. So today we got this Lamborghini Gallardo. We're gonna go through the motions of taking this and showing you how to make it into this. All right, let's get to it. Now pull it off. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. That's all I needed, bruh. All right, everyone. So spoilers installed. Everything looks great. Looks really nice. So if you have any questions about anything pertaining to your vehicle, or if you have any upgrade modifications you need help with, hit us up, fluidmotorunion.com. We're located here in Naperville, Illinois, but we do take global customers. So let us know, and we'll help you out. Have a good one.